Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
Get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So hey guys, what is going on? This is Vivan. So today's video is going to be much more interesting because in this video we'll be showing you that how you can earn a lots of PayPal cash and 100% guarantee. I'm giving you 100% guarantee, guys. You can withdraw real money. So if it don't pay you, then I will pay, I promise you. And for verification, it will pay 10 cents to your PayPal account first time. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. And this application is really amazing. You just have to do nothing, just watch funny videos and you earn. Okay, let me show you. So first of all, just go to Play Store and then search for Clip Claps application and install it. And here you can see I have already installed, so I'm not gonna install it again. So please install and then open like this. Click on open and that's the application. So here you will find three options to register with. So you can register with Facebook, Google and your phone number. So I'm registering with my Google account, so just click on continue with Google. And here you have to select your Gmail account which you want to use to sign up or register this application. So I'm selecting a Gmail. I'm selecting one, select it and click on allow if it asks for permission. And here you have to enter your first name and last name and then select your gender. So I'm male and I'm selecting male. So select, if you're male then select boy, and girl then select this one. Then enter your birth date. I'm using a fake one, so as I'm showing you, that is why I'm giving a fake one for privacy. And after that you have to click on this next, and you can also select your profile picture by clicking up here. And I'm not gonna set it now, I will do it later. So now click on next, and then you have to watch this video. So just click here, click on this play button. I hope you can see. Just click on this play button and it will play for 5 to 6 seconds. You just wait up here. So done. And here you can see your reward has been added. And now click up here, so it redirects to here. Here you can see it indicates. So now click on open. Here you can see we got 500 coins, 25 Raffle cat tickets, 20 coin tickets and 22 Amazon tickets. Okay. So we all got all these things from a diamond chest. Now we will earn $1 instant. So how to earn $1 instant, let me show you. So just click on this play. You have to collect all these cards. Here you can see you need 120 cards to unlock this, and 120 cards to unlock this one. So that's really easy. You just have to invite your friends and then you will get this and you have to watch videos, then you will get chests and you have to unlock. After unlocking you will get these cards and coins and monies. So that's really easy. So let's play and get I will show you how you can get $1 reward. So let's play. Click on play and again play. Here you will find a game, so it may take some time to load, so please wait up here. Let's wait and see. So here you can see that's the game, guys. So here you have to select the second one. If you select the second one, you will get $1 instant. So let me select the second one. Okay, now click on confirm. You can see we got $1, and now we will get one more dollar. So to get one more dollar, we have to click up here on redeem. Here you can see on the right corner, on the right top corner, here you can see, guys, click on this redeem, and here you have to enter a code. That's a redeem price code 8DDGMHFO. So that's the code. That's the code. Here you can see that is the reward code. So you have to put this code here. So I will give this code in my video description. You can check the video description. So here you have to click on resend code. Just click on it and you will get $1. You have received $1. So here you can see we got $2 now. So after that, here you can see we can transfer our coins. Here you can see you will spend 300 coins to exchange 3 cents. Let's confirm, and here you can see we got 3 cents. So if we got 1000 coins, then we can collect 10 cents from this. Here you can see. So how we earn, so just click on this special, that's the wheel, and you can earn from this, and try your luck. So you have to spin this wheel. So you got a mega spin. Just click on spin and you can earn. So here you can see you earned 5 cents from this, and you will get 5 lucky spins. So just click up here and click on spin. Chest. Here you can see, maybe this one, maybe no, that's a silver chest. So let's go spin one more time. So I got 100 coins. Again I will spin. Silver chest. It's okay. We got chests from here. So here you can see we got 4 chests, and we will unlock it now. Just click on here on this chest. So you can see we got, that's our reward. So open again, click on open again, and we got more rewards. So again open the second box. We got 200 coins, and open again, 100 coins. So after that, how you can earn. So here you can see there are lots of videos. You have to watch these videos, and here you can see there is a line, there is a time. So when you watch videos here, the time the line goes left to right, and you get chests. And if you unlock chests, then you will get rewards. So let me show you. So here you can see the chest is going left to right, and you have to watch videos. Don't stop. If you stop, then the timer will be paused. So don't stop. Continue watching videos. So here you can see we got a chest. So we got a chest. After that, after 17 seconds we will get another chest. So let me show. We need 5 seconds more. 3, 2 and 1. You can see we got another chest. So you can see we got a gold chest and a silver. So open it. We got 100, 50, 6, 8. Okay, we got all this from this chest, gold chest. So we got 1000 coins, and now we will exchange it to money. So just click on this, and you will get 10 cents. Confirm. Here you can see we got 10 cents. So if you have 1500 coins, then you can get up to 20 cents. So not up to so you can get 20 cents from here. So let me show you how to redeem this money. So just click on this cash icon. Here you can see, just click on this cash icon, click on this, and here you can see you can redeem 10 cents, $10, $15, $20, $30, $40, and $50. So after that, if you want to verify this application is real or fake, you have to you can claim your first reward. So you can cash out through PayPal. Just click on it and click on this PayPal and enter your PayPal email address here. Just enter your PayPal email address and the money will be transferred to your account. So that's 100% real, and you can cash out through this, and this is 100% real. You can search in YouTube, in Google, that will show several YouTubers are showing this that application. That's 100% real, and that's really easy to earn money with this. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So to know more about this application, to know more tricks, how to earn faster from this application, we will upload a new video giving full details about this application. So that's all for today. So if you like this video, then you can hit the subscribe button, guys. So thanks for watching and stay tuned with us.